G'day guys, welcome back to CoolDrive Racing HQ. We thought we'd give you a tour of where we're up to now with the workshop layout. Starting from a blank sheet of paper, we had the opportunity to do anything that we wanted. So we started with the car bays being the heart of the workshop, and anything from here is within very close walking distance that we need to get to. So we took inspiration from F1 and some World Rally teams, and this is a layout that we decided on. So although CoolDrive's got a huge manufacturing ability off-site, we needed to be able to have control of our own destiny a little bit, and we've set up our own fab shop in-house so we can turn parts around much quicker by making them here ourselves. So the other thing that we've bought on site is the ability to do all our own stickers. So we have our sign shop here that does all the stickers in-house. We then move along here to our little sub-assembly room that primarily is used for dampers and brakes, but any other little jobs that pop up over the race weekends, we can fix them in here. So moving the tour along now, we're in our tyre department. So we fit all our rims in between the races, but we're also straighten the rims. So we've just finished sand down, had a couple of bent rims, so we straighten them up on that machine there. Okay, so moving along here, here's something you don't see every day, the old Made in Australia symbol. We've been fortunate enough with Workbench Warehouse coming on board and helping us. They even went to the extent of matching the colour of the race car onto the workbenches for us. Okay guys, so here we are in the engineering office. So myself, Jaden and Mirko all work out of here. Majority of the time we spend analysing data from the race weekend and also the next race weekend. We've got a nice clear view of the workshop out there as well, so we can keep an eye on proceedings and what's happening out on the shop floor. Okay guys, so that concludes the tour of the BRT workshop. We'll get this bad boy packed in the truck, and hopefully we can go over to Tassie and put on a good show for all our fans and our sponsors. So until next time, we'll see you then.